Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Kama Kawa Kama Da, and today is the day I'm leaving this house, and anyway, I'm so happy at the same time I'm sad. So besties, I will just show you how the situation is going like. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll be happy. Okay besties, let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. And see, my chair is not here, and this is the situation that's going on over here. That's the bed, so nataka itolewe hapo tutoe. I have a friend who is helping me out, tunasaidiana pamoja, and let's see how it goes.
So okay, hi,
tell them something.
I'm Joji. I'm Fundi. So I make something like chairs. So beef things. With the customer here. I'm doing work.
Yeah.
So I'm great. Guys, hi, bye.
Aww. So he's very nice. Yani amekam kunisaidia, so tunapanga pole pole tukisikiza music before huyo mtu wa kubeba mizigo akuje as we leave. So hizi ndo viatu tumebai nini a Nigerian bag, and iko hivi. I can't wait. I'm happy because I'm moving out. Yani I'm growing, and that's the best thing about it.
Is a
Akuna. So basically, hivi ndo inakaa the house. If you want this house, kindly DM me so that you can naweza nirithi. That's the overlook of it all. That was is my house. So don't mind this. Just woke up and nikakumbuka I never did a wrap up of that moving out vlog video, and I was like, let me just wrap it up here. So besties, forgive me, I didn't take the parts yenye tulikuwa tunaingia kwa nyumba because it was late. Yani kuhama, it's another thing. It's hectic. Like, you can't do it on yourself. You have to find someone who can help you out. And it happened, the person mwenye nilitafuta hiyo roli, although they're expensive, my things zilifika safe. Enye tu li break ni my mirror table, although ati ilikuwa imecrack on the sideways. One time nilikanyaga nikaenda kutoa kitu huko juu and it broke. Saa hiyo ndo break, everything is safe, hakuna yenye imevunjika ingine. My TV is working, it's functioning. Like the good people, that person like amefanya hiyo kazi for long, so he knows where to put everything in order ndo fikisha vitu zako zikiwa safe. It took almost 3 hours packing because they had some chairs that zilikuwa zinatengenezwa kwa fundi, and kukuja tena na huku ku unpack, it's hard, it's really hard. But after Nwalip, I didn't do anything. I just checked on my things and I was like, just do it, I'm not doing anything because nilikuwa nimechoka. Like, nilifanya halfway nikasikia let me just wait for them to come and pack everything. So kufika, it was a bit late, around up of 5-6, and then ndo tukanpack vitu everywhere kuweka. Luckily I had a friend anakazi saidia witaidia, so she came and helped me out to arrange the house ndo ika at least poa. That night was hectic kumaliza. Now she has a kid, so lazima angeenda kupikia mtu wake and the husband. I was left alone. Hey, everything actually, but she helped me because nyetu ilikuwa imebakia ni nguo kupanga, na sasa ile nyumba tu kwa chafu kwa sababu watu wamekanyaga nini. I felt hungry around 10. Nikasema siwezi kakaa bila kukula. So I had to call the caretaker kuja ni connectie gas. Mimi nakopanga ku connect gas. Alafu sando nikaendea sama. Nilipika ugali sukuma. I was really yearning for heavy food. Juu hiyo siku sikuwa nimekula poa. I don't take mchele and nyama. It was a light food. Nikakuja nikapika, nikakula na nikalala. The following morning early, I woke up to arrange my wardrobe. Zenye zilikuwa zimebakia nikapanga and nikatupa my takataka zenye zilikuwa hapo hivyo that were not on use. And I was like, wow. So besties, continue subscribing, liking and sharing this video for the next episodes that are about to come up, showing you my house tour in the new house, how I have arranged it, showing the new morning routine and giving you the tips before Hame that I didn't know that I think mtu anafaa kujua. And live in a 1-bedroom, vitu kama hizo. So don't miss out. I really thank you for all those who keeps on supporting me and subscribing and watching. Mungu abariki sana. Bye. Toodles.